While you're away, sipping cocktails on the beach, it can be a good idea to make sure the home you left behind is being looked after as well. But if you can't find someone to house it, Google Assistant's always here to help. Smart light bulbs and smart plugs can make it easy to turn certain lights and appliances on or off from wherever you are in the world. You'll need to buy and install these before you leave home, but once you're all plugged in, it's easy to make it look like someone's in the house even when you're a world away. Just say, "Hey Google, turn on my living room lights."
Okay, turning 3 lights on.
And Google Assistant will take care of the rest. If you're worried you might forget to turn the lights off later, just say, "Hey Google, set a reminder to turn the lights off in 2 hours."
Sure, I'll remind you at 5:06 p.m.
Then you can get right back to your drink and your view.